you believe it? Onion is actually a hidden remedy that can help reduce swollen veins and make your legs feel as light as air after just a few applications. This recipe is over 1,000 years old, once used by healers across Asia, Europe, and the Middle East to keep the legs strong and naturally slow down vascular aging. Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn the full step-by-step method. The first ingredient you'll need is 1 onion. White onions are preferred because they contain higher levels of anti-inflammatory compounds and help boost blood circulation more effectively. However, if you don't have white onions, red or yellow onions will also work perfectly fine. Now peel off the onion's outer skin to reveal the white inner layers. We're about to transform this familiar ingredient into a natural remedy that helps soothe inflammation, reduce swelling, and improve the appearance of varicose veins safely and effectively. Next, grate half of the onion using a fine grater. This step helps release the essential oils and beneficial compounds in the onions such as sulfur, quercetin, and natural enzymes, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, enhancing blood circulation and soothing swollen veins. This simple method helps reduce puffiness, ease heaviness in the legs, and restore skin comfort in areas affected by enlarged veins. After grating the onion, place it in a cheesecloth or fine strainer and press carefully to extract the onion juice. This is the most concentrated essence, rich in all the active compounds. The smell may be a bit strong, but that's actually a good sign. It means the nutrients are still intact, preserving their anti-inflammatory and restorative properties. Once you've collected the onion juice, divide it into 2 equal portions. We'll use them to create 2 different treatments, each with a slightly different method, yet both are incredibly effective for reducing swelling, soothing varicose veins, and giving your legs a light, relaxed feeling every day. Now, let's start with the first recipe. Simple, yet remarkably effective. Begin by adding 5 bay leaves to the mixture. These leaves have long been regarded as a natural herb that promotes blood circulation, reduces inflammation, and soothes the feeling of heaviness in the legs. Before adding them, tear the leaves into smaller pieces. This helps release the essential oils more easily, allowing all the beneficial compounds to blend thoroughly into the mixture for maximum effectiveness. When combined with onion juice, bay leaves help enhance circulation, reduce swelling, and soothe tired, heavy legs more effectively. Next, add about 15 cloves to the mixture. Though commonly used as a spice, cloves are actually packed with valuable bioactive compounds such as eugenol, a natural anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving agent. Eugenol also helps stimulate blood flow, making this combination particularly beneficial for improving vein health, reducing inflammation, and relieving leg fatigue. Finally, add 5 tablespoons of coconut oil or olive oil to the mixture, then stir well until all the ingredients blend smoothly together. Both oils are rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which help nourish the skin and promote healthy blood circulation. Have you ever experienced heavy legs, visible veins, or joint swelling? Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn a natural, effective remedy that helps reduce inflammation and soothe your legs, all with simple ingredients you can use right at home. Next, warm the mixture in the microwave for about 1 minute to allow the active compounds from the onion juice, bay leaves, and cloves to fully infuse into the oil. This gentle heating process enhances the blend's potency, helping it soothe swollen veins, relieve the feeling of heaviness and leg fatigue, and promote relaxation and comfort, especially beneficial after a long day of standing or physical activity. Once the mixture has cooled, strain it through a fine sieve to remove any residue, leaving behind a clear, nutrient-rich infused oil. This oil works wonderfully to reduce swelling and pain, soothe visible veins, and improve blood circulation. Store it in a clean, airtight glass jar and keep it in a cool, dry place to preserve its full potency. After just a few uses, you'll begin to notice your legs feeling lighter, your skin softer, and visible veins appearing less prominent. I will share the detailed instructions for use after introducing the second formula, since both have the same method of application, making it easy to remember and follow. So we've just completed the first formula, safe, gentle, and effective in reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and soothing swollen veins. In the next part, I will introduce the second formula, which is milder yet deeply relaxing, helping your legs recover quickly after a long day. Peel a few cloves of garlic, grate them finely, and squeeze out the juice. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound known for stimulating blood circulation, dissolving deposits along blood vessel walls, and reducing inflammation naturally. When applied to areas with visible veins, it creates a gentle warming sensation that helps relieve heaviness, ease soreness, and restore the natural elasticity of blood vessels. Garlic is considered one of the most potent natural ingredients for supporting and nourishing the circulatory system safely and effectively. Once you have both the onion juice and the garlic extract, mix them and add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil not only helps soothe and moisturize the skin, but also acts as a natural carrier, allowing the active compounds from onion and garlic to penetrate deeper into the blood vessels beneath the skin. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure that the nutrients from the onion, garlic, and olive oil are fully blended, creating a smooth and powerful natural remedy. Store the mixture in a clean glass jar with a tight lid and keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to preserve all the natural nutrients. When using, simply take a small amount of oil and apply it evenly to the areas with visible veins or heaviness. Gently massage in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate circulation and help the nutrients absorb deeply. Then wrap the area with plastic film and leave it for about 1 hour to allow the herbal essence to fully take effect. This method applies to both mixtures. Thanks to the powerful blend of onion, clove, bay leaves, and nourishing oils, the remedy helps soothe swollen veins, reduce leg heaviness, and improve vein elasticity, bringing a sense of relaxation and lightness every day. Tag a friend who might need this recipe. You never know, with just a few simple kitchen ingredients, you could help them reduce swelling, ease leg fatigue, and feel more comfortable every day. Both of these recipes are wonderful natural remedies, no chemicals, no irritation, yet they deliver noticeable results within just a few days of consistent use. Made entirely from familiar kitchen ingredients, but packed with natural healing power, they help keep your legs stronger, warmer, and lighter day by day. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more natural health and beauty tips every day. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you good health and peace always. See you in the next video.